Just a couple of days ago, two quantum computing companies shattered multiple industry records in a way that could completely change how we discover new medicines. But here's what most people are missing about this breakthrough and why the timeline they just announced should have every technology investor paying attention. IonQ and KIPU Quantum didn't just solve a hard problem, they solved the most complex protein folding challenge ever tackled by a quantum computer. We're talking about mapping the 3D structure of proteins with 12 amino acids, which might sound small, but in the quantum world, this is massive. Now, why should you care about protein folding? Every drug you've ever taken works because scientists figured out how proteins fold and interact. The problem is, traditional computers struggle with this because proteins can fold in millions of different ways. It's like trying to solve a puzzle where every piece changes shape depending on where you put the other pieces. But here's where it gets interesting. KIPU Quantum brought their secret weapon, an algorithm called BFDCQO, that gets smarter with each calculation. Think of it like having an AI that learns the puzzle patterns as it works, getting faster and more accurate with every attempt. Meanwhile, IonQ contributed their trapped ion quantum computer, which has something most quantum systems don't. Every qubit can talk directly to the other qubit. In traditional quantum computers, qubits are like people who can only whisper to their immediate neighbors, but IonQ's system lets every qubit communicate instantly with any other qubit, which is crucial for these complex protein calculations. The results? They didn't just break one record, they crushed multiple barriers. Beyond the protein folding achievement, they solved optimization problems using 36 qubits with perfect accuracy. And here's the kicker, this is just the beginning. Both companies are already planning to test this approach on 64 qubit and eventually 256 qubit systems. We're potentially looking at drug discovery timelines that could shrink from years to months. The next time you hear about a breakthrough treatment, remember this moment, because quantum computing just took a big step closer to changing actual lives.